Guys, so today's little adventure, I am dropping off not one but two pedal cars that I did for a customer of ours, or of mine, that I did a little bit of customizing on a red pedal car that he had, and a blue one that he wanted a little bit of metal flake for his grandkids. So I went and flaked them out and did some stripes on it, threw some decals on them. He wanted it simple because his grandkids are gonna end up using the living shit out of it. So those are done. So I'm dropping them off, and I don't want to film at his house, at his place. So I won't film inside because he's got a bunch, like a ridiculous amount of really nice antiques and classic cars and stuff. And I really don't want to film without his permission in there, and I don't want him to feel like I'm stepping on his toes in any way. So I'll show you a quick video of what the cars look like, and then I'll give you guys a sneak peek of what I'm picking up and what I'm going to be restoring for him next. So, alright guys, so I am done loading up the Coca-Cola cooler. I just didn't want to record at the gentleman's house, just out of privacy because he's got a lot of nice stuff. But let me show you guys what it looks like. So all of this needs to be repainted. The white needs to be retouched up. These holes need to be filled in. Looks like they had a latch at one point. And it's got dents like this. But other than that, the whole thing is pretty legit. So guys, that's it for this episode. Next episode, we'll see what we're doing. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what you guys want to see. Catch you guys on the next one.